Welcome to Learning Math Skills with Kashyap. So today we are going to start our new topic. So let's see what is our new topic. So the new topic is solid figures. So what are the solid figures? What are the different types of solid figures? What are their dimensions? What are their properties? So before going to start the topic, let's see some everyday things you used in your daily life. Keep remembering the shape in your mind. What is this? That is a dice. And what type of shape it has? It has a cube shape. Similarly, what is this? That is a match box, right? And what is this? Now next one, that is also a book. It's your part of your life, compulsory part of your life. It's part of your bag, it's part of your education. So what is this? That is also a part of your life. Ice cream, but I'm not discussing the ice cream, I'm discussing about the shape. What shape is this one? What is this? That is a cone. Okay, further we will discuss in the later. What is this? That is your tin. You are like to take drink in tin. That is Pepsi, Coke available, different type of tins in the market. So what kind of shape? Don't look at that is a tin, just thinking about its shape. So we will discuss it later. What is this? That is a yummy, it's chocolate. Everyone love to eat chocolate. Okay, so don't see at the chocolate, just see at that shape. What kind of shape this one is? Okay, what is this? That is a pyramids that's found in Egypt. It's old civilizations, right? You read about the history of these pyramids in your history subject. So let's start our today's topic, that is solid figures. So what are solid figures? Solid figures are basically three-dimensional objects. Keep this fact in your mind, that is three-dimensional figures. So first of all, just what is the difference between 2D and 3D shapes? If I draw a shape, that is a 2D shape, that is a rectangle. If all sides are equal, that is a square, and that is a triangle. These are all 2D shapes. But if I draw a cube like this, so this is a 3D shape. 3D shape, it has length, width, and as well as it has height or depth. So due to this one, it occupies some space in our universe. So these such figures, such shapes are called solid figures. So just we will discuss now further what are the solid figures by one. Okay, first one is cube. So just keep remembering that dice you look before. If you look at the dice, this shape, the same shape of this one. So it has how many faces? That is its face. One face. It has two faces, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total it has 6 faces. And what is its edge? Right? This is its edge. This line is its edge. This is its edge. This is its edge. Okay, its sides are called edge. And where these edges meet at one point, that is called vertex. So how many vertices a cube has? It has 8 vertices and it has 12 edges, right? So what is cube? A cube has 6 faces and each face is of square shape, means length, width and height are all of same length. So come to the next. What is cuboid? There is no much difference between cube and cuboid except one thing, that vertex are same, faces are same, edges are same, all things are same as the cube. But the only difference is that its dimensions may be different. In cube we have square base, in cuboid we may have the square, may have the rectangular base, or rectangular means there is a difference between length, width and height. So that is a cube. A cuboid has 6 faces and face can be square and rectangle. In the cube, the face only of a square shape. So let's see what is the difference between cube and cuboid. A cube has 6 faces and each face is a square. And what is cuboid? A cuboid also has 6 faces, but face can be rectangular or can be a square. So what kind of example? Is it a square? It is a cube or cuboid? It is a cuboid because it has a face of rectangular shape, right? And what is this? It is a cube because it has a face of a square shape. So that is the difference between cube and cuboid. I hope you understand. So now come to the next shape. What is this? That is cone. Okay, you eat ice cream in such shape, right? So this shape is called, what is cone? A cone is basically a circular surface. Okay, this surface is circular surface and flat face. Flat face means its base is flat, right? And the two vertex or slant height meet at one point, at one edge, right? That is called slant height because it's not a vertical height, it's making some angle with the baseline, so that's we call it slant height. But you don't need to about these vocabulary, right? You will considered only on the shape. You will study such things in your further classes when you go to class 7 or 8 or more classes, right? So no need to think about this these terminology, only look at the shape. And what is the definition? A cone has curved shape, surface and flat face, and the most important is that that flat face is of a circular shape, is a circle. Keep this thing in your mind. So now what comes next? That is cylinder. You often see tin and different boxes at your home of cylindrical shapes. Why we call it cylindrical shape? What is the difference between cone and cylinder? A cylinder has curved face exactly same as the cone has, but it has two flat faces. Okay, the cone has only one flat face and one edge, right? Like this, cone has one, but the cylinder has two flat faces and two face circles. It has two circular faces. Cone has only one circular face. So that is the basic difference between cone and cylinder. So just look here, a cylinder has a curved face and two flat surfaces, but what is cone? Instead of two flat faces or circular, the face is circular in the cone, but it has only one curved face. In cylinder we have two. This is your cylinder shape, right? And that is your favorite cone. It has only one face, circular face, and it has one edge. But look at the cylinder, it has two circular face, two face circles, right? So I hope you understand the difference between cone and the cylindrical shapes. So now what comes next? The next one is prism. That is, there are different type of prisms. You will study in the further higher classes, but in this you have to just study it on its two or three shapes or basic shape. That is a prism's basic shape. That is a triangular prism. Why it is triangular? Because it has a triangular base, it has two triangular face, right? And why it is rectangular prism? Because it has a rectangular base. A prism is a type of three dimension because all these are the 3D shapes with flat sides. It has two ends that are the same shape and size. Means it has two. If you look at the triangular prism, this is the same size and same shape. Similarly, this is the same size and same shape. So this is called prism. Now what is pyramid? As you look in the previous diagram, pyramid has one edge, right? It is a triangular base. A pyramid has a triangular base, three triangular faces, right? 1, 2 and 3, 6 edges. What is the edges? As you know, these lines are called edges, and the vertices mean where these edges meet at one point, that is called vertices. So what is pyramid? That is, a pyramid is a three-dimensional shape. It has polygon base. Polygon means it can be different, it can be triangular, can be more than triangular. A flat triangular sides we join the common endpoint called apex. Means it had one common endpoint where all the vertices can meet, all the edges are meet, and what one vertex, then we call it a, at this point is called apex. Again, you don't need to go such vocabulary, you only focus on the shape of the pyramid. So what is the difference between pyramid and prism? So it's very much clear to you. So now I hope you know about these solid figures. These are all three-dimensional figures, and you know the properties, how many faces, how many vertices, and how many edges all these diagrams of solid figures have. So it's a simple topic. So just there is some match the columns and just fill in the blanks in this topic. So do these pages at your home from your workbook as well as from your textbook. So see you till next lecture. Bye.